see this place to believe it. It's like something out of Alice in Wonderland. The captain has to come down.
White rabbit with a yellow waistcoat and white gloves hereabouts? Thank you very much.
All the thoughts that I have, everything basically is manifested, and I see everything around me, and I say, okay, that is what I was thinking of. Now this is been reflected. Now that has been reflected. And you were constantly shifting in all those realities and living in a dream state or something like that. And being in Pattaya, the last time I was talking about alcohol and spirits. It could be a relation between a spirit and alcohol. But anyway, I cannot drink anymore, so I've decided to stop drinking to have a clear mind. But there was a guy talking with an invisible man in Pattaya, and he was full of emotions, happy, and it was so real to this guy, you know. And then you will start thinking, is this guy mentally ill, or is it something? Is he indeed talking to an invisible person?
First there was McCoy's Alice in Wonderland, where there was supposedly no animal life. And Sulu's gun, where there was no refined metal detected. Rodriguez birds. And then the two people I saw.
Any chance these could be hallucinations?
And then I start thinking about the relationship of alcohol and spirits. And I was talking about that the probability of many spirits living in Pattaya is not so difficult to grasp. Living in a different in dimension, because shifting realities, there you have different dimensions or levels, and when you go level up, everything moves simultaneously, and that is where they've been talking about synchronicities and that kind of phenomena. So I'm living that many timefold, but I have to clear my mind. It's very important. That's why I have to stop drinking and enjoying the good life, you know. All right, let me take you on an adventure. I'm looking for a non-alcoholic drink, and it is like being in a candy store, you know, because I thought maybe when I go to the bar they probably won't have it, but what I do know, Heineken beer, the Dutch beer, has 0.0, and of course Heineken is the most popular beer in the world. This one over here. But I don't want to drink Heineken because I'm more kind of Leo kind of guy. But if I have to drink non-alcoholic beer, then of course my preference will be Heineken. If other drinks aren't available, but still it's fun to look. As you can see, all the beer labels. I guess there's another beer department, and I found it. Star Wars beer. Or spacecraft. Yes, I know. I know. Thank you. I was making a video. Talking about spirits, huh? Many beers. The other guy said that I should try this beer. It's very good. I just arrived from Pattaya Central, and I did some groceries. Not sure what it is, but the ginseng from Korea is very good. I like it. This one is some sort of natural energy drink. I looked it up on the internet. Doesn't seem any harm so far. A lot of B12 and non-alcoholic drink. This is Dutch beer, same as this one. And I had Korean beer, was also very nice. And normally I have something like coconut in my coffee, Well, let me tell you something. This one tastes the same as a normal Red Bull. So I have my doubts about that one. But this one is fucking amazing. It is really... I used to drink this kind of drinks back in the Netherlands. And the enchanting from Korea is very good. It's like a natural energy drink and it tastes natural. Well, that one over there doesn't taste natural, but maybe it's all a matter of taste.
Oh! 30 seconds! Oh!
So this is the food court of Central Pattaya. A great shopping mall with a lot of stores and many things to do. Quite fun, next to the beach and also close to night bazaar. So if you want to do some shopping here, it's for everyone something, right? And of course we have midnight as well. So I'm going out, maybe try to find a non-alcoholic beer in midnight. Anyway, thanks for watching and until next time.